Kalidasa. Kalidasa, often regarded as one of the greatest Sanskrit poets and playwrights in Indian literature, is believed to have lived during the Gupta period. Although historical information about Kalidasa's life is scarce, it is generally accepted that he was a court poet in the court of King Chandragupta II, also known as Chandragupta Vikramaditya, during the 4th or 5th century CE. Here are some key aspects of Kalidasa's life and works during the Gupta age. Court poet. Kalidasa is believed to have been a prominent figure in the Gupta court, specifically under the patronage of King Chandragupta II. His talent and literary genius earned him recognition and acclaim in the royal court, where he received patronage for his works. Works and contributions. Kalidasa is known for his poetic works, which cover various genres such as plays, epic poems, and lyrical poetry. Some of his renowned works include Vijnana Sakuntalam, the recognition of Shakuntala. This play, considered one of his masterpieces, tells the story of the love affair between King Dushyanta and the beautiful Shakuntala. It is renowned for its lyrical language, emotional depth, and exploration of human relationships. Meghaduta, the cloud messenger. This poem narrates the tale of a love-stricken yaksh, a celestial being, who sends a message to his beloved through a passing cloud. It is admired for its evocative descriptions of nature and profound expressions of longing. Raghu Vamsha, the dynasty of Raghu. This epic poem chronicles the legendary lineage of King Raghu, tracing his ancestry back to the sun god Surya. It exemplifies Kalidasa's skill in storytelling and his command over Sanskrit verse. Kumara Sambhava, the birth of Kumara. This epic poem depicts the story of the birth and marriage of the Hindu gods Shiva and Parvati and their son Kumara. It highlights Kalidasa's ability to interweave mythology, romance, and philosophy. Literary style and influence. Kalidasa's writings are known for their beauty, elegance, and rich imagery. His mastery of poetic techniques, such as intricate wordplay, metaphorical expressions, and rhythmic patterns, has made him a celebrated figure in Indian literature. His works have had a profound influence on subsequent generations of poets and playwrights in various Indian languages. Cultural and intellectual environment. Kalidasa's works reflect the cultural and intellectual vibrancy of the Gupta age. The period was marked by significant advancements in literature, art, and philosophy, and Kalidasa's writings exemplify the height of literary achievements during this era. Although the exact details of Kalidasa's life and the extent of his association with the Gupta court remain speculative, his contributions to Sanskrit literature during the Gupta age are highly regarded. His literary legacy continues to be celebrated, and his works are widely studied and appreciated for their enduring beauty and profound insights into human emotions and experiences.